G'day, and welcome to the Compliance Finder page. If you ever need to quickly check if a worker or piece of equipment is compliant for a specific job, then this is your new best mate. It performs powerful, real-time checks and answers the question, is this person or piece of equipment compliant for a specific worksite or role right now? What we have here is our asset type. You would choose which one you want to do a check on. Then you would assign an asset role. If you only want to show people or equipment assigned to the asset role that you've chosen, you would tick here. Then you would put in your worksite. Here's one I prepared earlier. And the same, if you only want to show people or equipment assigned to the worksite, you would click this tab. So what we see now is the list of most compliant first. You can see a quick summary over here on the right. And if you want to see the full story, just click the arrow here on the left. This shows every requirement, whether it comes from the asset role or the worksite, and a very clear yes or no as to whether they're compliant. What you can see here is that this person is not compliant for this asset role requirement, and they're not compliant for this worksite requirement. If you needed to update one of the skills really quickly, you can simply do that by clicking on the pencil. And that's how it's done. Now you can instantly verify who's ready for what, ensuring a safe and qualified team for every job. With the Compliance Finder, checking your